Chỉ bay lệ vek ule hei kum tharte kan la mang zela kan tute sikulan la kalwa kan ina kan la ompui ve nuam kan tin kan hlim em hei Nizan lampang chanchin tlem ka tute ka han ti pui na hi ka lo share veng cheu
ka tu pa lars te definitely fa pa upa berania to na hian high school as a trip to
kan tute hi
so but the
an fel
what do you
em
think about
an zak zum
2024?
boka le lama chuanin hei
It was a good year.
tute kan han
Got a
sui
lot
pui han
done. Plan on getting
voi tam tak
more done next
ka
year.
chanela te karon ti lang to
And I just want to thank you for
an hi
helping
an zak zum ve shim
Emmy
shima
in her garden kalom lutuk bai te ka huana tam tak min siam puyamo kalom topa chuanin 2025 po we're gonna have lots of garden throw.
Lots of gardening to do.
Yeah, so you can help me in the weekend when you're not in school. So what any plans for 2025?
I plan on making more video games and
Okay.
just I don't know, getting better with computers. which I
Oh,
always have been doing.
that's awesome. So and then I know you'll be out of high school soon and you will be in college, right?
Yep, I'll be in college. Working on a most likely either cybersecurity or computer
Oh.
science. Probably a computer science degree.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
And-
So that's the plan.
Okay. And then you're gonna learn to play guitar more?
I don't know what instruments. I don't know.
Okay.
It's just been on the back burner because I've been doing a lot, you know.
Okay. All right. That's good then. Anyway, you know, we should be thankful to God that 2024 was a good year for everyone.
Yeah.
So so far so good, right? And I wish you all the best in high school. And God is good. All right? And then I was telling Rune you'd be ready for church service. The first church service in 2025.
I know.
We'll all go attend the church service,
First
okay?
church of the new year, yeah.
Yep. All right. Thank you. But Rune kan lo ti pui lo kan hi. What do you think about 2024? And also, but what your plans for 2025?
2024 is pretty good. I don't know what I'm doing yet this year.
And then sports-wise,
Nope.
you're not.
I don't really have anything
Oh, okay.
yet as of yet.
So you like being in high school so far?
Yeah, it's pretty okay.
Yeah, you got lots of friends.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So Anin, Emika, you're gonna help in the garden?
Mm-hmm. Oh, I mean, if I'm here, sure.
Yeah. Okay. Well, yeah, if you are
hei
here on the weekend.
2025
So
chol ni masaber
we're gonna
kan len an
go to
omdona
the first
kanin khom
church service
tute
in
kan han sui ho
2025.
ani hi
this coming
Tianin mal
Sabbath,
som na
right?
min pe
Yeah.
kan lom em ani kan tu
I'm
te
so
hi
glad you are
rui
my
thei thil le
cute
thil
grandson.
thalo lampanga hianin
Yeah.
an
And then you're gonna help me with my channel horn in
Maybe.
2025?
Sure.
All right. Thank you.
hei fin te ve thung o
Hey, Finte, thank you so much for talking to me tonight. Hey, Finte, definitely fapa alian perta zinga pathum na ania. Hey, kan titi pui vele lo kange. So what do you think about 2024 with the past year?
It was okay.
How about sports wise? Did you
I might do baseball again. I've been thinking of doing football. I don't know.
okay? So what grade are you this year? I mean the coming year you're gonna be in.
8th. Well, right now I'm 7th. Next year, or this year, I'm gonna be.
Okay, 7th. Okay, so you have lots of friends.
I would say yeah.
Yeah, so I guess you like the baseball the best. How's your study? I mean, what subject you like the most?
Math.
Oh, you like math. Okay. Unlike your Emmy, I fail in math. Okay, so anyway, I just want to thank you for being a good boy and also helping Emmy in the garden, many times on the weekends. And so we need to thankful to God also for giving us health. And let's hope 2025 will be the best year for us. Thank you so much for sharing a few minutes with me. Okay, Bitte?
Okay.
All right. Thank you, Bitte. Appreciate.
Ole tu na chuan kan no teru te pahni.
All right.
Ve thung
I
o
want
hey.
you guys to tell me.
I am Sage. I am 8.
Okay. And say, Emmy.
Emmy.
My name is Dane.
My name is Dane.
I am 3 years old.
I am Skinny Dub. No. Can you stop doing that, Sage? Mama said.
Dein te hi chu kum
My
thum
name
tak
is
walan
Dane.
ya trong man la zir ve me ka he.
Okay.
Ma hi lo om ve shim Hey, definitely po afatenen an hanin fiam vela. Nak naka. Afatenen ang mani skit itiang u. Dia tekan langan tia hey. Ea ya hanzo te an drama chan tur. Han prince wa tera ma se.
I would.
Ya nan tu ho tlak ta
I would.
hey.
My performance will overshadow.
No, an tia ta no ya thabe ni he. An is a tak ang ran kok mai.
It's just chess.
It's just.
An Christmas an game present dam te hey an le enjoy zela definitely afate athum lars le le he min kom wal de ve me to thi te hi an ti ho the ya an lom om ve ang renga an nu le pa thu an oya an respect em do ka ni
Let's play it, but it's checkers. Nope. I know how to play checkers.
te changin
Can't do that.
lars se te
It's
mun
nothing like checkers.
pang te hi
Yes.
an chung ko in ti him na tan
Everything
an mang
else.
thina chu wang chuan hei Christmas a an thil dam te po hi an la enjoy zel ani hi
He's just gonna move your pots. Let me cook.
Let me lasers.
What I'm doing.
I'm such a genius, Finn.
You're a genius. How about you? Are you a genius too, Lars?
ole kha te mai kha ni zana ka tu te ne na kanin kom na ka lo share thei chu nia hei an unaw in dotin thala karanda lars te ania run te a hi au pa ber dot tu nia fin te a hei ani le a fin a nuwa hian sage kan tia tona to bera hei hi kan dein te a ani hi fel em ani hei nu le pa thlak klem ne kha zong kha tu na tan lo ni ri phot se kan lom em thank you so much and God bless.